Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to do another little layout tool video for you. A little public service announcement here is why I'm doing these layout tool videos instead of finishing the table build and working down in the shop. I'm remodeling. I'm completely redoing the shop. I think I mentioned this in one of my shop updates. I have completely taken my tools apart, moved them to the other side of the house downstairs. I had a rental area down there. It's not rented anymore. It's just a big open area. All my tools are moving in there. So as soon as I have that up and running, I'm going to show you that space. I've been throwing some of these little quick videos with layout tools just to keep some content going so you guys can kind of see a few tools that I think are kind of neat. And today I have one that I really kind of like, and it's right here. It is the Milwaukee 4.5-inch Trim Square. Now obviously this looks just like a speed square, a rafter square. Here's the, what is this, 6.5, 7-inch Swanson. That's a very popular model. We have the big plastic ones, rafter squares. We have small 7-inch plastic ones. You know, we have all models here, but this one has a few unique features that I think for woodworking, which is what this channel is about, that excel. First and foremost, I like the way this is built. You know, if you look at this Swanson, you know, it's well made and it's nicely laid out. And, you know, the gray on black is contrasty, and with my bad eyes, it's okay to read. But this is anodized aluminum and laser etched. This is much better laid out. And the red on, it's either white or gray, I'm not sure which, but it's a good contrast. This is a fairly easy square to read. And you guys that have bad eyesight, you see me playing with my glasses here, you know the deal there. This doesn't, at 4.5 inches, it doesn't have all of the hip and valley, you know, the roofing construction measurements that the bigger rafter squares has. To me, this is really just a layout square. It does have the ability, if I can find my pencil. Where are you, pencil? We got one right here, don't we? It does have the ability to draw lines, you know, parallel to the board, if you have the board properly held to the bench. Let's do that. The board can't move. You can put a pencil in here and draw a line horizontal, just like I did with that old saddle square I did in the last video. It is obviously a perfect tool for layout of 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and any other angle you might want, because we have a pivot point here. So let's say we wanted 25 degrees. We pivot on this corner, bring it down to the 25, and then you mark from the pivot side. There's 25 degrees. So it is a fairly usable layout square for woodworking. It has a few extra things that I think are dynamic for woodworking, and that's why I like it. You know, we're woodworkers here. I don't normally wear this apron, guys, but a lot of you guys do wear aprons, and I'm hoping you can see me here. The thing I like about this is it just goes in this pocket like that, and it stays there. It fits in here perfectly. You know, I take it out, I use it. The bigger rafter squares, you put them in here, you know, it goes in there, but, you know, you can see it's kind of dangling out. I could get away with that, but, you know, this is perfect. I mean, this just fits in there like a glove. This is this apron came from Duluth Trading. No sponsor. I bought it from them. I'm not a big fan. It you know, it needs something on here. It comes heavy on my neck, so that's why I don't wear it that much. But you guys that wear aprons, this little trim square, they call it a trim square. To me, it's a speed square. Guys, this thing is really good for the apron. The other really interesting thing is, I'm going to put it closer, I hope this focuses. You can see that it's offset. It has a 1/4 inch on this side and a 3/8 inch reveal on this side. Now why is that important? If you deal with a lot of lumber from the big box stores, or you mill your own lumber to 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch is a size lumber we use all the time. This is not 3/4 of an inch. Let me grab this piece, which is 3/4 of an inch. The neat thing about that is if you go to the 1/4 inch side, you immediately have a layout. If you go to the other side, make a line. Of course my pen's dying. But I immediately have a center mortise centered on this board. If I want to find a center line on the board, I go to the 3/8 inch side and make the line. Let me get a pencil. Okay, so 3/8 side, make a line. Center of the board. 1/4 inch side, make a line. Do the other side, make a line. Square it off. Square it off. You got a mortise centered on that board. A real nice feature that these squares don't have. These are just centered. Actually, I'm a liar. This one looks like it is. No, it's centered. It's, you know, these look like they're cast. It is not centered, but it's not a 1/4 inch and 3/8. It looks like it's just slightly off. So this is not made to the tolerance of this. This is, like I said, a machined piece of aluminum. That's it, guys. It's a wonderful little layout tool. I'm going to do a few more layout tools before I get the shop going downstairs again. I hope you enjoy these little videos. I know, you know, they're kind of filler videos, and not everybody wants to watch these. But to be perfectly honest with you, some guys like the tool videos, and I really think this is a good little tool. So I think it's worthwhile talking to you about it. So if you do like these things, go ahead and hit the like button for me. If you could, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And as always, have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.